All right, let's look at the homework 11.5, problem number 9. All right, so we want to approximate the sum of the series correct to 4 decimal places. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to find Bn. So here, all right, so this is going to be our Bn of the alternating series. All right, so then we know that of course we can find Bn plus 1 by simply replacing, right, not including that n there, so it's going to be 1 over 6 to the n plus 1, and then you have n plus 1 factorial. All right. Then we want to make sure that, let's see, so this is the error bound of the alternating series. So we want to make sure that this is going to be less than or equal to, all right, so correct to 4 decimal places. So we have 0. Right, 4 decimal places, so I'm going to put the 4 zeros, all right, and then 5 because of the rounding, all right. So I'm going to do this, try to find this n value which satisfy this inequality using GeoGebra. So I'm going to just open up a GeoGebra here. All right, first I'm going to just set n value to be 1. So just to put it there. And I'm going to define b of n. So this is for bn. It's going to be 1 over 6 to the n and times n factorial. All right, so I'm going to hit enter. All right, then I'm going to find the b1 first. All right, let's find b1. All right, so b1 value shows up here. Maybe I'm going to just let's see, rename this guy as not n. So how about bn would be a good one. All right, so we have bn value is 1 over 6, but we want the decimal value. All right, so I'm going to change it to decimal value there. All right. All right, then I'm gonna change the n value. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. All right, how about try b2. All right, b2 it's a 0.17. How about the b3? And actually, hold on a sec. It's okay, so I have to change this to b of n, right? So how about that? Right, so right, and then I have to see rounding change to 5. Right, so when n equals 3, you can see that it's a 0.0070077, right? It's not small enough. So how about 4? All right, then if you put 4, you can see that it's a 0.00003, so it's less than 0.00005. All right, so n plus 1 is supposed to be 4, so we want to add first 3 terms. All right, so what we can do is we can just add the first 3 terms. All right, so first term is going to be negative, so it's going to be negative b1 plus b2 minus b3. All right, and this will give us the value we're looking for. So I'm gonna have to change the change it to decimal here. All right, so it looks like we got the negative 0.15355. So let's type it in. All right, we got the negative 0.15355. All right, so is that the right? Let's see, 0.15355. So it looks right. So let's submit for testing. All right, looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, so you can see that we just have to use the upper bound of the error for alternating series, and we just make sure that this is going to be less than or equal to 0.0005, and we found that n to be 3. So we add the first 3 terms to approximate the sum of the series within correct to 4 decimal places. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.